Yan po, muling ni-ramp, binangga ng China Coast Guard yung ating Philippine Coast Guard, mga kababayan. Yan, sabi dyan, Philippine Coast Guard says China Coast Guard vessel 3104 collided. Chinese Coast Guard sana. Yung ating Philippine Coast Guard sa may Panatag Shoal natin or Scarborough. Sa kakahabol, bumangga sila mismo. Takapwa nila Chinese.
Good morning, Mr. President. Pardon me if I may have to divert a bit from the issue this morning because this is a breaking story, Mr. President. Two BFAR vessels in Bajo de Masinloc were just water cannon
of the territory, of the state, of the population of the Republic of the Philippines. Ganun lang ang trabaho namin. Ganun lang ang aming gagawin. Wala tayong interes na pasukin kahit sino, na puntahan na kahit sino.
Nagpapagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu na lipungan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas, Bicolano, vlogger, broadcast journalist from Albay. Ibigay ko sa inyo ngayon mga kababayan tong breaking news. Yan po, muling ni-ramp, binangga ng China Coast Guard yung ating Philippine Coast Guard, mga kababayan. Yan, sabi dyan, Philippine Coast Guard says China Coast Guard vessel 3104 collided with People's Liberation Army Navy Ship 164 off Bajo de Masinloc. Ngayong araw lang na to, mga kababayan, after attempting a high-speed pursuit of BRP Suluan and targeting another PCG vessel with water cannon, the PCG said MRRV 4406 evaded the water cannon attack habang nagde-deliver po ng mga supplies para sa about 35 Filipino fishing boats under Kadiwa para sa Bagong Pilipinas Mangingisda o KBBM program. So sabi dito sa balita ng One News, following the collision, the PCG immediately offered support including assistance with man overboard recovery and medical aid for any injured CCG crew members. MRRV 9701 later escorted the Filipino fishing boats to safety where they received fuel and other supplies. So ang ibig sabihin mga kababayan, sa report ng Philippine Coast Guard, hinahabol ng Chinese Coast Guard sana yung ating Philippine Coast Guard sa may Panatag Shoal natin or Scarborough. Sa kakahabol, bumangga sila mismo. Takapwa nila Chinese vessel, Chinese Navy warship. Kita na ninyo? Karma. Madaling sabi, inabot ng Chinese vessel, Chinese Coast Guard. A China Coast Guard vessel chasing a Philippine Coast Guard ship collided with a Chinese Navy warship off a Scarborough Panatag Shoal on Monday with PCG immediately offering assistance. Kita ninyo? Nag-offer pa tayo ng tulong. Ganyan tayo kasi hindi man tayo po palaaway. Ito siya, panoorin natin mga kababayan yung nangyari. Itong video ito, courtesy ni Tariela, spokesperson ng Philippine Coast Guard. Panoorin natin mga kababayan yung pagkabangga. Sila man lang po. Ito yung Coast Guard natin. Nagbibideo. Sila man lang po. No, mahabol na bangga ng bumangga siya. Ito yung Chinese Coast Guard, bumangga sa warship o Navy ship ng China. Yan you see? Sila man lang po. Yan kasi sila nagbabanggaan na ngayon. Nakakahabol sa ating Philippine Coast Guard sa territory na hindi sa kanila. Ngayon, nag-react na rin po yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kanina sa press con, doon sa launching, mga kababayan ng I-Report, isumbong sa Pangulo yung mga anomalous projects or ghost projects sa flood control. Naitanong ni GMA reporter Maris Umali. So, hiningan po ng reaksyon yung ating Pangulo. Kasi ngayon lang po ito nangyari. Pakinggan natin yung naging reaksyon ng ating Pangulo.
Good morning, Mr. President.
Good morning.
Pardon me if I may have to divert a bit from the issue this morning because this is a breaking story, Mr. President. Two BFAR vessels in Bajo de Masinloc were just water cannoned today. Yeah. And there's a heavy flotilla of Chinese vessels, more than our vessels from the PCG and BFAR. They have around 30 vessels and we have 10, so we are outnumbered, obviously. What immediate actions will the administration take specifically for this particular incident? And And how will you respond, sir, to China's complaint regarding your recent statement in India, in your state visit to India?
Let's take the second part of your question first. I don't know what they're talking about. Playing with fire? I was just stating facts. We do not want to go to war. But I think if there is a war over Taiwan, we will be drawn. Hihilain tayo sa aya't gusto natin. Kicking and screaming. We will be drawn and dragged into that mess. Whatever you do, come on, wag na tayong hope. I love this saying, hope is not a plan. I hope it doesn't happen. I hope it doesn't. But if it does, we have to plan for it already. And that's what I was talking about. How do we get our people out? How do we protect kung magkagulo, gera na nga dito. Malapit na sa atin. Ano nga gawin natin? Okay lang, normal lang yan. Pababayaan na lang natin. Kung sino pasok labas dito sa atin. Hindi naman pwede yun. So we'll have to do something. So inevitably, despite our fervent wish to avoid any confrontation with anybody anywhere, war over Taiwan will drag the Philippines kicking and screaming into the conflict. That is what I was trying to say. That's what I don't understand. And I think because of the narrative coming out about playing with fire and being provocative and all of that, kaya nagka-increase ng activity doon sa West Philippine Sea. What special instructions I have? We don't have any special instructions. Sanay na tayo rito. You know, it is not a one thing na there's no silver bullet na pag pinaputok mo, solve lahat ang problema mo. What will happen here is we will continue to be present. We will continue to defend our territory. We will continue to exercise our sovereign rights. And despite any opposition from anyone, we will continue to do that, as we have done in the past 3 years. Now, we do not intensify our operations. We just respond. Hindi naman tayo aggressive eh. Ano lang tayo, dumidepensa lang tayo. So that's the situation there. Unfortunately, we are, I think, for propaganda purposes, misinterpreted. But the Philippines is not. We are constant in our defense of the territory, of the state, of the population of the Republic of the Philippines. Ganun lang ang trabaho namin. Ganun lang ang aming gagawin. Wala tayong interes na pasukin kahit sino, napuntahan na kahit sino, sugurin kahit sino. Wala tayong ka-interes dyan. Sana nga yung ginagastos natin for defense and security, hindi na kailangan. Kung saan natin magagamit yan. We can use it for agri, for housing. We can use it for job creation. We can use it. But we have to do this because we are under threat. We are forced to do this. We do not want to do this. We are forced to do this. We do not want any kind of confrontation with anyone. We want to build a better, stronger, freer, safer Philippines. That's what we are working for. This kind of confrontation does not build a stronger, better Philippines. All it does is continue to defend our country. So sir, that's I'm a little bit perplexed why it would be characterized as such, as playing with fire.
Sir, so right now, our vessels there in Bajo de Masinloc will not be instructed to back out. We will just continue to stay there at this point.
We have never instructed any of our vessels to back out.
Thank you, sir.
Never. But we have to always, when we do not back out because natakot tayo, umatras tayo. Alam mo.
Anyway, nagbanggaan po yung Coast Guard ng China. Binangga ng Navy ng China pa rin. Pero tingnan ninyo, tumulong tayo. Mabuti yung ating intensyon, yung ating ugali po. Kahit lagi tayong binubuli at binubomba ng water cannon Pero hindi natin pinapatulan ang pang-aabuso sa atin ng China. Patuloy tayong maninindigan pero hindi tayo makikipagira. Handa lang tayo to defend. Yan ang punto ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
I don't know about other places, pero dito sa gobyernong ito, hindi tayo umaatras sa laban. We are brave. Filipinos are brave. But we do not. Sinong Pinoy na gusto magkagera? Sino? Kahit maghanap ka para sa akin, kahit isa. Kahit yung sundalo, kahit yung Coast Guard, ayaw nila ng gulo.
Correct.
So, no, but at the same time, we have a duty to perform.
Correct.
And that is to defend the country.
Correct.
So no, we never back down. We always continue to do. Our uniformed personnel, the Navy, the Coast Guard, the Army, the Marines, all of them, the Air Force, all of them are pledged. They took an oath. And they're just doing their duty, they're performing their mission, defend the Philippines. Yun lang naman ang ginagawa nila. And we will not stop doing it. We will not stop doing it. We will stop doing it when the threats stop. Tigil na yung mga threat. We can all sit more safely at home and mas magiging magaan ang kalooban natin kapag ganun ang sitwasyon. Okay?
Thank you very much, Mr.
Ito naman
President.
po, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Sa mga naghanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.